Hi guys, so today I've got my parcel. This is a parcel that I've got ordered for my workshop coming the weekend. So this has all the supplies I need. I'm just going to quickly open it up. So you all are going to see a surprise because I have got... I'm not going to spoil it, you can see in a moment. So here we go. So let's open, let's remove the bubble wrap. Okay, so here I've got my list of all goodies ordered. Quite a bit. So let's work our way through, shall we? So I've got 2 lots of the palette knives, and this is going to be used at the workshop. So I've got plenty for everybody to be using. I've got some ribbon, can you see that? So that's the polka dot ribbon. In Whisper White, you can get it in very vanilla as well. What have we here? So dimensionals, I've got 3 packs of them. I have got the embossing paste, which is used with the palette knives. There we go. I've got 2 of them. I'm not going to run out, however I just wanted to make sure I've got enough. I've got a snail refill as well as an additional 2 snails. More Stampin' dimensionals apparently. I've got the natural twine, which comes in, let me have a look, mint macaroon, blackberry bliss, grapefruit grove and crumb cake. So I already have crumb cake and mint macaroon. I think I have the other 2 colours in this box. Shall we have a look? So the rich raspberry, sorry, grapefruit grove and old olive. 3 new ink pads. I have got block H and block E. I have got Stampin' Mist for my Stampin' Scrub. Got a burst marker. I think I have also got some vellum, which I know I used to do a lot of techniques with, so I'm excited to try them, especially with that. I have got this, the Love What You Do little box, accessory pack, share what you love embellishment kit. So I'll show you some more photos of that on my Instagram. I have got some standard size Whisper White envelopes, A6. Can you spot the surprise yet? It's right there. So I have got the Stitched Shapes dies. You can't see them because it's in the packet, and I'll show you them later on. What else have I got? I've got the Big Shot Botanical Tags Finlets. So I know you've seen a lot of cards using the Botanical Bliss stamp set. I've finally purchased the Big Shot dies that coordinate with it, so I'm excited to use that. I know I really want to use the flower and the leaf. Well, it's not really leaves, it is a leaf. The foliage finlet. What's this one? And this one is the Up and Away finlets. I have coordinating stamp set. Yep, as you can see. So I'm excited to use the paste with one of the templates, which you'll see, because it's got this cute little cloud thing, and I think it would coordinate really well with this, and especially as I put some Bashful Blue back there, which I can do as a nice backdrop. So the other stamp set I've brought is the Cause for a Celebration. It has lots of beautiful sentiments and cute little accessories there. which I'm excited to use because at one point I never used sentiments on a card, but now I think it's the main focus of the card, so I'm excited to use that. I have the Big Shot lovely floral dramatic dynamic embossing folder, so I'll be excited to use that. More videos coming soon, I'm sure. And also the, is it Truffed textures in pressing plate, which I'm sure you'll see in products. I've got some stamping cases, just standard size, just because I needed to use up some hostess points or percentage. So here's the surprise. It's the autumn winter catalogue. This is my copy. I can't open it or show you any pictures from the inside. However, I'm excited to sit through and have a good read. And you'll just have to wait, I'm sorry. But let the excitement begin. I'm excited. So onto cardstock. I have Bashful Blue. Oh, Balmy Blue. Why did I say bashful? Oh, nightmare. So, Balmy Blue, I do apologise. I have A4 vellum, as such. Excited to use that. You'll see that on the weekend. I've got some Share What You Love A4 card. What colours does it come in? I think it has mint macaroon, rich raspberry, old olive and grateful grove. That's why I've brought some of them stamp sets. I've got some Whisper White there. Brilliant for bases. And here we go. I have the Share What You Love Specialty Designer Series paper. And that's that. Let's move the box out the way. So, lots of goodies there. Let's put that Whisper White, the multi-pack, the vellum, Balmy Blue, not bashful, lesson learned, the embossing folders, the 2 stamp sets, the finlets, botanical bliss, stitches shapes, all of that. So I hope you enjoyed this little video and I'll see you shortly.